Hey guys, this is Lucy, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change text to small letters or capital letters in PowerPoint. So all you need to do is select your text that you want to change and go to Home tab, and in the front ribbon there is an icon like this with a capital A and a small a. So you just need to click on the arrow next to it and this drop down menu pops up. So in order to change, just go ahead and click on any of these that you want. So there are sentence case, which will capitalize the first letter of the sentence only. In lowercase, all of the letters will be converted into small letters. In uppercase, all of the letters will be capital. And in capitalize each word, only the first letter of each word will be capital. So here in the last one, in toggle case, you will see both the capital and small letters anywhere in the sentence, either be it in the first of the word or the last or in the middle of the word, anywhere. And that's how you change text to small letters or capital letters. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.